Hi friends, I'm Ellie and this is Tech Tricks channel. As you know, there is no direct method to convert Google Slide presentation to a video. But in this tutorial, I will show you 3 free ways that you can convert it. Let's see. Alright, I have this Google Slide presentation and I want to turn it into a video. As you know, Google Slides does not offer an option to make a video from Google Slides. But I will show you 3 methods. The first method is to convert Google Slides to PowerPoint and then convert PowerPoint to video. To do this, go to the file, then download. Now choose Microsoft PowerPoint. When your file is downloaded, open that. Now you have 2 ways to convert it to the video. Go to the File tab and choose Export. Here you have the Create a Video option. You can change the quality and the speed of each slide. Then select Create a Video. And now in this box, you can choose the name and location for saving the presentation as a video. The next way is File, Save As, and then you should select a location. I choose Desktop. The point is here. Open this drop-down list and choose Video and Save As type. Then go ahead and click on Save. This was an easy way to convert the Google Slide to the video. Let's see the next method. In this way, you should install an add-on. One of the best add-ons in this field is Creator Studio. Go to the Add-ons tab, then Get Add-ons. Now search for Creator Studio and install it. Okay, let's use it. I go to the Add-ons tab, Create Studio, and Create Video. This tab will open for me. Down here, there are different formats for export. I choose Video File, then Go. When the render is completed, I click on this icon and I can download it. The last way is using a screen recorder application, which I prefer Camtasia. It is effortless to use. Open the application. Now here, choose New Recording. You can change the recording size and click on Start. After you're done with your presentation, you can stop recording by clicking on the Stop button from the Screen Recording panel. Then automatically will show you a preview of your video, where you can also edit it. After you're done with editing the video, you have to save the video to your desired location. To do that, click on the File tab and scroll down to the Save or Export options. There are many other applications or add-ons. You should test different types to find the best one for yourself. Here is my tutorial finished and you learned how to convert Google Slide presentation to a video. If you have any question, let me know in the comments and I will answer all of them. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Have a good time.